channel. If you clicked on this thumbnail, let's begin. Probably you should be a complete beginner to urban sketching or trying to learn urban sketching. So don't worry, you're in the right place. Just get started. So, first things first, let's know what is urban sketching first. So, it is essentially sketching from life. It is a way to capture the people, places, things around us in our sketchbook, and it's a form of storytelling from the moment. And practicing urban sketching is essentially making sketching a part of your daily life, and you start to see things in a different way, right? So let's begin with our learning journey for urban sketching. If you're worried that you haven't practiced drawing even once in your life, or you don't know how to hold a pencil, that's completely fine, and this is going to be completely beginner friendly tutorial for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Let's start our week 1 journey for becoming an urban sketcher. We'll use pencils on this journey. I'm using specifically 2B and 4B pencils. You can use HB pencils as well. In this week, we're going to draw from pictures. Only pictures, not directly jumping into urban sketching. That means one picture a day. So this has a reason, and I will be with you on this journey, and I'll do the same activity for us to learn and grow together. And there you go. So day 1, we're going to sketch with the pencil only this jug, which is in gray color, because gray allows us to understand more on shadows. Day 2, we're going to sketch the fruits, which will be in color, and we're going to sketch it with pencil. And day 3, it is plants, because in urban sketching generally we see a lot of plants, and this is one of the indoor plant. It'll give us a hands-on. And day 4 are trees. Obviously in urban sketching life you will see plenty of trees around, so I'm including this on day 4 journey. Day 5, I'm including books specifically, because while sketching these books you can understand more of the perspective while sketching, the perspective and the angles. And day 6, we're going to sketch windows. Again, because in urban sketching, while you do on locations, you might see and come across a lot of windows. So that is why I've included this in day 6. And day 7, finally, we're going to draw a house with pencils. And probably we have done with trees, plants, so we should be good with that. And now I'm going to share some techniques for the week on how to draw these 7 sketches. Number 1 is cross hatching technique, which you can incorporate in your week 1 sketching journey. It's pretty simple. Whenever you shade the lines over and over, the picture gets darker. So that is how we can arrive at the shadows or the darker values of the picture which you are sketching. So it's pretty simple, and any kind of lines can be used. Just cross hatching is over and over again will be fine. And I'm going to illustrate a simple a ball, you can say, in this using this technique, which is cross hatching. It's pretty simple, as you can see. Even if you're not a pro at it also, you can just go ahead and do it and never judge your sketches at any cost, is one of the thumb rule. And the second technique I'm going to tell is scribbling. Scribbling is also pretty simple. It's just scribbling, as you say. If you scribble over and over again on the particular on a particular area, you can create darker values. As you can see, I'm going to sketch this a coffee cup with some saucer, so it is giving the picture an interesting look, as you can see, and it's very easy. You can incorporate any of these 2 techniques on your week 1 journey and come across and fill your sketchbook. You can use any of a sketchbook, maybe a 300 GSM paper sketchbook will be fine. And once you're done with your sketches, don't forget to tag me on the Instagram with all your sketching collages. I'm waiting to see your sketches ahead, and I'll see you in the next week with your amazing sketches and even mine.